welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and I want to say episode 3 of, it's now 7 of Piston Cup week, because we are going to be looking at the next gen for 2021, M Fast Fong. Yeah, that was a very original name. The card, well, the art on the box has got a different paint, paint shade than the diecast, but it's whatever. Matty McGear, Trainer Cruz Ramirez, Kurt, the 3 veterans, which they did an awful job on his card art, well, it's like actual box art, and oh, my brain's giving up on me right now, and a Doc Hudson Racing Day car. Anyway, let's get this guy unboxed, and we are at 1.3K. It'd be great to hit 1.4 by October-ish, and subscribe and follow me on the Instagram. Yeah, the Instagram. Great. So let's get to the review of him. Now, as we all remember, he was originally released as a tractor racer back when the first wave of tractor racers came in late 2019 and basically early 2020. He was released with the Shiny Wax racing tractor and the Bumper Save racing tractor. Sadly, I never got Shiny Wax. And his original name for this was Rev and Go Racing Tractor. But now we got M Fast Fong, who is the next gen name, so we can actually call him M Fast Fong Racing Tractor, which that doesn't sound as great. Anyway, since I got one unboxed, we're just going to compare the paint schemes. So, the color scheme looks relatively the same. The 73 looks better on the racing tractor, comically enough. And so do most of the decals. A lot of the decals, wow. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment and let me know what your favorite part of the video was, even though, and if you want this diecast, even though I know YouTube's going to take down my comments again, so I'm debating if I start mandatorily swearing. And I'm not going to do that because I just don't want to do that. Now, Smash Bros. Saga there might be, but I will see you guys in the next video.